Hey folks, Adam here from Noorio.
Today we're taking a look at the Noorio Spotlight Security Camera.
The Noorio 100% wireless indoor-outdoor video camera.
Noorio Camera,
a small security cam by Noorio.
Spotlight camera from Noorio.
Noorio.
This Noorio Spotlight cam battery model.
The Noorio.
The Noorio B210.
Noorio is by far the easiest to set up security camera system that I've ever had.
I didn't break it. I didn't break it, people. It's magnetics. It has two-way talking.
Can you just leave the liquor at the front door and I'll be there in a second?
So of course you are not just wanting to buy a wireless security camera system for its ease of installation. You're going to want to buy it for its ultimately quality of monitoring and also the quality of video and the reliability of service.
We have the camera which is set up as my front door. You just tap on it. There you go. It's loading up. You can simply just zoom in, move it around. Look at that. This is a live preview. You can see the timestamps right there. It works very, very well.
Leads me to the next point of this thing is it has night vision. This has got color night vision. I mean, that's a cool feature of this camera right here.
And I have to show you just how bright this bulb is, right? If you're looking at 600 lumens, that is the equivalent of a 60-watt light bulb. This thing is going to illuminate a large area that could be completely dark without it.
Everything is super clear to see, and again, it gives you multiple ways to use this in any place in your home so you can move it around.